Hi, I'm Professor Miller, and I'm going to be teaching your Biology 1406 class this semester. I wanted to just answer some quick questions about which textbook is required so that we can all start off on the right foot. The textbook that you need for this class is the following textbook. It's the Campbell Biology textbook, and this is the 11th edition. This is what it'll look like, and probably the easiest way for most of you guys to get the textbook is to just go ahead and purchase this through the Collin bookstore. When you purchase this, you'll get the textbook and you will get this Mastering Biology Access card. Both components are required for the course. If you search for Campbell Biology 11th edition through another vendor, you may see a slightly different textbook appear. You'll see a textbook that looks something like this. This is still completely fine. This is actually a more expensive, it's the complete version of the textbook. It contains all 60 chapters, but this is the Campbell Biology 11th edition textbook, so you can totally use this. It has exactly the same content. So if you were able to, again, feel free to rent this or get a great deal on it. It will work. The problem with getting the textbook not directly from the bookstore is that they often do not come with the correct Mastering Biology Access code pack. So if you get a really great deal on one of these textbooks, or if you're able to find a used version of this textbook that doesn't have the code pack with it, you will need to make a purchase of the code card. The easiest and best way to do this is through our Canvas course on the first day of class. The card pack on its own costs about $60, and it will be required for the course. Hopefully that helps you out a little bit with deciding what you need to purchase and be ready with for our 1406 class. I also want to mention lab quickly. Whether or not I'm your lab instructor, I do want to talk about that a little bit. You do not have to purchase a lab manual for this course. Instead, we run it through a Canvas course. Then you will need to print off a lab manual to bring with you to lab each week. This is the website where you go to first access the lab manual. The first time you have to go to the site. After that, it will then appear automatically in your Canvas course listings from the rest of the semester. So you go to https://collin.instructure.com/enroll/8YTPWT. When you enroll, you won't be able to do this until the first day of classes, so all of you guys that are really on the ball, you're just going to have to wait till Monday to do this. And then what you want to do is you want to go to Unit 1 and print off the lab manual. You do need to have that with you on the very first day of class, so I encourage you to do this no matter who your lab instructor is. This is something that all Biology 1406 students will need that first day of lab. So, again, I hope that you'll have luck in finding and purchasing this Campbell Biology. Please make sure that you do purchase the 11th edition. That's which version we'll be using. And then also remember that you want to go on the first day of classes and print off your Unit 1 lab manual. Until then, I hope that you have a great time, and I look forward to getting to know you better. Thanks. Bye.